Nick here, hope you guys are all doing well. And in the last 4 years, we've been obsessed with the Hyperloop, a revolutionary new technology that could fundamentally change the way we transport ourselves. And being fully honest, we should be enamored by traveling in a tube at over 700 miles an hour. The last century has seen cars that spawned the birth of early industrial society, trains that could make the US a manufacturing superpower, and finally planes that could traverse hemispheres in a matter of hours. All of this and a deep-seated desire to always be faster has produced a transportation arms race, and we are at the forefront. The Hyperloop offers us jet-like speeds, all at the cost of a bus fare, combining the best of both worlds. And 2017 is shaping up to be a huge year for the technology. Let's check it out. So now, before we can discuss updates, we need to talk about the hardware. The concept of the Hyperloop isn't very complicated, and it all starts with putting people into a capsule. You then take the capsule, throw it into a vacuum tube, all in an effort to reduce friction, and then you have it travel at ridiculous speeds, like 760 miles an hour. Now, interestingly enough, this technology isn't all that new. In fact, the very famous maglev trains of Japan and China do something quite similar. They use magnets to help the trains levitate above the rail, again in an effort to reduce friction, and the trains can travel at almost 300 miles an hour. The Hyperloop, on the other hand, is very similar, but it does this on steroids. The concept was initially created by Elon Musk and SpaceX, but they've since propped up and told a bunch of other companies to take on the challenge, and they've responded. Now, unfortunately, like a lot of the things that I cover on this channel, promising technology doesn't always mean cost-effective and easy execution. In fact, you'll see that the whole Hyperloop project is often plagued by outrageous costs and lack of resources. But where there's a will, there's a way. And though the SF LA line would cost an estimated $8 billion, and it doesn't very much seem like there's enough money to go around, SpaceX and a bunch of other companies have really stepped up to the plate in this regard. SpaceX actually has a competition in early February where a bunch of the best designs could possibly go into production, and then there's another enterprise called Hyperloop One, which just takes all the plans and is really trying hard to build a functioning prototype. They've secured a contract to build a Hyperloop line from Abu Dhabi to Dubai and turn the usual 2-hour journey into just under 12 minutes. The best part of all is that they expect a functioning prototype to be tested in the coming months, so stay tuned. 2017 will be a monumental year for the Hyperloop. We'll finally be able to see whether it's practical or something more gimmicky and years away. Architecture firms, banks, venture capitalists, everyone is throwing so much money at this project to forge a Hyperloop reality, and it's only a matter of time before we see what really happens. As a society, we constantly want to push forward and get better and be faster, and I think no industry better embodies that than that of transportation. Whether it be setting records in the sky, revolutionizing what we do on the ground, or just simply getting faster by orders of 10, it's clear that the Hyperloop ought to make you giddy at the thought of its potential. Let's all take a step back to enjoy this marvel of engineering excellence and see what 2017 has in store for it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for making it this far. Click my links down below to read my Huffington Post articles and follow me on social media when you can. Thanks, guys.